In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to send files on Discord. Begin by launching the Discord desktop application on your PC and log into your account. Navigate to the server or direct message conversation where you want to send the file. Click on the text box where you usually type your messages. Look for the plus sign located in the left part of the text input box. Clicking on it will open a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, choose the Upload a File option. This will open your computer's File Explorer window. Navigate to the location on your computer where your file is stored, and select the file by clicking on it once to highlight and then click Open to press the Enter key to upload the file. Once selected, it will begin uploading to Discord depending on the size of the file and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear as a clickable link in the text input area. Just hit Enter to send the file and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.